Yo, what is up guys? This is Mabsi. So ngayong araw ay pag-uusapan natin ay about sa cross staking and kung paano ka ba makakapag-earn dito. At syempre pag-usapan na rin natin kung ano ba yung update sa Cross Mainnet 2.0. So guys, disclaimer lang, no, this is not financial advice. So kung ano yung papanood nyo dito is nasa sa inyo na yun kung gusto nyo gawin. So wag na natin patagalin, simulan na natin. So guys, ang una muna natin gagawin is mag-head over sa kanilang website which is stake.ogfcorp.com. And then after nun, pwede nyo i-connect yung inyong CrossX wallet or yung Google account nyo. And then ito na yung landing page nila guys, no? So makikita natin dito, participate in network and earn block rewards. So guys, as you can see, no, nakalagay din dito yung kanilang total value stake. So meron nang naka-stake na 200.3 million na cross tokens. And yung total stakers nila is about 1.2k. And ayun yung mga nag-earn ng daily rewards. And makikita nyo rin dito yung kanilang delegation APR which is 149.76%. And ito guys yung estimated annual block rewards rate nila. So paano ba ito nag-work? Click natin to. So ang nakalagay dito guys is deposit cross to earn rewards. So kailangan natin mag-deposit ng cross to earn rewards. Then sa reward accrual, rewards accrue daily, displayed separately from principal. Unstake, request withdrawal, 14-day unbounding, no rewards during this period. So once na mag-unstake kayo guys is may nakalagay dito na 14-day unbounding cooldown. Yan, so may cooldown siya na 14 days. And about naman dito sa claim, collect tokens to your wallet after unbounding. Rewards accrue separately from principal, 14-day unstaking period applies. And then kung nagbabalak naman kayo na nag-stake ng cross tokens nyo, pwede nyo muna siya ilagay dito para malaman nyo kung ilan ba yung may-yield niya na rewards per day. So example is maglalagay tayo ng 10,000 cross tokens. Yan. So mag-yield siya ng 41 cross token daily and 1,247 naman monthly. So annually mag-earn ka ng 14k 975. So napakalaking rewards yan guys, no? Lalo na itong delegation APR nila. Kagandahan dito guys is meron siya na itong estimate your reward. So mostly kasi ng mga staking ngayon is wala siyang ganito. Malalaman mo lang kung ilan yung makukuha mong rewards once na nag-stake ka na. So napaka-genius ng kanilang ginawa dito sa estimate your rewards. Start earning in 3 steps. Ang gagawin mo lang guys is stake cross, earn rewards, and unstake anytime. So punta naman tayo dito guys sa getting started. Yan. So ito yung staking nila step by step, no? Mag-stake ka ng cross, mag-earn ka ng rewards, and pwede ka mag-unstake anytime. So ito yung mga supported wallets nila. Andyan yung CrossX wallet, app or extension. MetaMask, it's either app or extension din. And then ito namang Binance wallet, which is mobile app only. Indicated din dito guys kung paano mag-stake, no? So nakalagay yan dyan. And ito naman yung mga supported wallet holding ng cross tokens. So meron silang minimum stake dito na 10 cross, no? So wala naman siyang maximum. Ayun lang yung minimum niya, 10 cross. So indicated din dito guys kung paano ka ba mag-unstake. Ang gagawin mo lang is mag-request ka ng unstake at mag-a-apply ka ng 14 days and then claimable na yung tokens mo. And nakalagay din dito yung kanilang key rules. So guys, once nakapag-stake kayo dito is magka-earn kayo ng portfolio and matatrack nyo ano na ba yung mga reward na nakukuha nyo. Yan, naka-indicate dito yan guys sa inyong portfolio. So ngayon alam nyo na kung paano mag-stake ng cross token dito sa cross staking. Proceed naman tayo dito sa cross rewards. So para makapunta kayo sa cross reward is i-type nyo lang ang x.crosstoken.io/rewards. Yan, so mapupunta na kayo dito. And then guys, no, ganun lang din kung paano kayo nag-login sa cross staking kanina. Connect lang kayo ng inyong CrossX wallet or your Google. So ito naman guys sa cross reward is about naman to sa mga token ng cross ecosystem. Yan, so may nakalagay dyan guys, no? Itong Chrome X token, ROM Golden Age, and then meron din tayo ditong CWT, which is itong Chaos World. And meron din tayo ditong Shields X, which is from SealM on Cross. So guys, dito naman sa Cross Rewards is mag-stake ka ng cross tokens and pipili ka dito kung ano yung gusto mong pag-stakean at ang may yield mo ay mga game tokens. So sample guys is itong SealM on Cross, itong Shields X. Example, mag-stake ka dyan ng 5,000 token. Yan, naka-indicate yan dyan kung ilan yung estimated daily rewards mo and yung estimated rewards mo, naka-indicate din yan dyan guys, no? So overall, goods talaga tong cross rewards kasi ikaw mismo yung mamimili kung ano bang gusto mong pag-stake ka na game. So kung naglalaro ka ng CLM, pwede ka mag-stake ng cross para maka-earn ka ng tokens nila. Kung naglalaro ka ng Chaos World, yan. Ayun ang kagandahan dito guys sa cross ecosystem kasi ang dami mong pwedeng pag-stakean. Okay, so nakalagay din dito guys, no? You can deposit, add anytime, and pwede ka rin mag-withdraw anytime. So same lang din siya nung cross-staking. Pero sa cross-staking is mag-wait ka ng 14 days. Okay guys, so ngayon na alam nyo na kung ano tong cross rewards, proceed naman tayo sa update doon sa cross mainnet 2.0. So yun guys, nandito na tayo sa cross-staking and cross rewards ecosystem realignment update. Ang nakalagay dito is with cross mainnet 2.0 effectively launching on June 1, 2026. So sobrang lapit na yan guys. Cross rewards will be realigned to fit the new ecosystem. Here's what the realignment is for and what to expect and prepare for. So yan guys, nakalagay dito. Staking rewards ecosystem realignment. Cross to cross, game token to game token. So guys, magiging effective daw tong realignment na to sa June 9, no? Pinaliwanag nila dito kung ano ba yung changes sa cross mainnet 2.0. So ayan, cross in, cross out loop, and then game token focus model. So ano nga ba mangyayari kung nag-hold ka pa rin ng cross token sa kanilang cross pool, no? Yan, so kung may token ka pa na naka-stake sa cross pool guys, before June 9, make sure na i-unstake mo yan. And then pwede mo siyang i-stake dun sa cross-staking or i-hold mo lang for future purposes. Dahil nga dito sa magiging update sa cross mainnet 2.0. Okay guys, so yun lang, no. Hopefully na may natutunan kayo sa video natin na to about sa cross-staking, cross rewards, and then yung update sa cross mainnet 2.0. So yun, take note lang din na kung may naka-stake pa kayo na cross token sa cross pools is i-unstake nyo na before June 9. Thank you for watching this video guys. This is Mabsi. Have a good day and I'll see you on the next one.